Hello my dear friends of Standard 8, welcome you all in today's online class. My dear friends, as you all know it will very well that we have finished chapter 14 that was running. The name of the chapter was Chemical Effect of Electric Current. So dear friends, this chapter we have finished recently from lecture side. So dear friends, I hope all of you are learning all the things clearly and properly. So dear friends, it is my humble request to all of you that whenever you learn any concept regarding the books, a particular chapter, so you must go in detail, and if you face any problems, if you create any question, if you have any query about the particular topic, so you can contact me. I will try to sort out your problem definitely. So dear friends, after successful completion of the chapter 14 and written section is now pending. Dear friends, as you all know it very well that PDF format is provided you from my side, and if you have any problem regarding that, then you can contact me. So dear friends, it is told to you that exercises whatever have been given in your book and very short types of question answer you do yourself. So dear friends, it is hereby informed to you, and as you are doing properly in this sequence, and there is no doubt in it that what to do with the short types of question answers and exercises. And short answer and long answer and hard types question answer problems will be provided to you in PDF format, and some extra questions will be composed, will be included in the PDF format. So dear friends, it is told you that you must prepare all the things properly and maintain your classwork copy regularly and properly. So dear friends, now we are moving toward the chapter 16. The name of the chapter is Light, and we are tending toward the chapter 16, that is light. So dear friends, generally all of you know it very well that light is very essential, and because we provide without, in the absence of light, we can't see any object properly. So dear friends, all of you know the importance of light. So in the case of scientific way, in the science pattern, how can you understand the terms light? So dear friends, light, as you know it very well that light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things from which it comes or from which it is reflected. Definitely it is expressed here that light is a form of energy. लाइट एक प्रकार की एनर्जी का फॉर्म होता है डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन द बंडल ऑफ पैकेट्स ऑफ एनर्जी व्हिच इज नोन एज द फोटॉन एंड क्वांटम. एंड डियर फ्रेंड्स, लाइट which comes from the sun, also called white light, and light of sunlight, white light represents dual character. Dual character means light is regarded both particles as well as wave pattern. Wave pattern क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? What is wave pattern? Waves, जैसे अभी आपने साउंड चैप्टर खत्म किया स्टूडेंट्स, recently we have finished chapter sound also. So dear friends, in sound chapter you have seen there, whenever vibrations takes place in the sequence and a type of pattern created there, and this type of pattern is referred as wave pattern. So dear friends, waves is just kind of the propagation of the particles by staying its mean position, and that's why light, which is regarded both particles and as well as waves, and white light, which is coming from sun, when falls on any object and the object reflects the light and reaches to our eyes and we able to see the things. So dear friends, light helps us to see all the things properly. Suppose whenever we enter in the dark room and the objects are lying far apart in the dark room, everything is available, but you can't see any object in the absence of light. Whenever light is on, it means the tube light, your bulb sources, other maybe resources, when blows and falls on the objects which is putting inside the room, then we can see the object. So dear friends, as you all know it very well that light is very essential and very important part. So we are going to start this chapter with great enthusiasm and great pattern. So dear friends, after understanding the written pattern of the light, how can you define the terms light? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things from which it comes or from which it is reflected. So dear friends, as you know all it very well that light, there are two types of the objects. In 6th class already you have learned about the objects and luminous and non-luminous object. Okay, and there was chapter also light, from where we have understood the terms luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object, you know all it very well, the objects which has its own light, just like you are watching the sun. So dear friends, sun is regarded as the luminous object because it has its own light. Whatever is going on in the sun, you know there is a nuclear fusion which is taking place in the sun, and a huge amount of heat and light is provided from the sun, and that light reaches to earth and falls on the object and everywhere, and heat energy which is contained in the sunlight also provides us heatness. So dear friends, after understanding the terms, there is one concept which is very important to know about the things, and we have understood the luminous object. Luminous object may be the artificial object, just like a tube light bulb which has its own light, but non-luminous object which has not its own light, which do not have its own light, just like moon. Dear friends, as you watch the moon has not its own light because moon reflects the light when light of sun falls on the moon surface. That's why moon is non-luminous object. And if we make comparison between the luminous and non-luminous object, we find out that the number of quantities of luminous objects are very less in comparison to non-luminous object. Non-luminous objects are found generally everywhere, and luminous object means having the sources of light is scarcely found. So dear friends, it is the property of the luminous and non-luminous object. And now understand the main important concept here is what is a reflection. So dear friends, one thing which is associated with the definition of light, that light reflects whenever light falls on any object. Just like this is book, and we are able to see this book because light of bulb falls on this, and this light reflects and reaches to our eyes, and image is formed at the retina. So dear friends, image हमारा कहाँ बनता है? रेटिना पे बनता है, और इसलिए हम इस ऑब्जेक्ट को देख पाते हैं. अब इसको हम अच्छे से समझेंगे कैसे स्टूडेंट्स, कि लाइट कैसे हम इसको समझेंगे कि लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. रिफ्लेक्शन, डियर फ्रेंड्स, एज यू नो, आपने इसको देखा दिस लाइक अ मिरर, एंड दिस इज द प्लेन मिरर. ओके, एंड दिस मिरर इज अ प्लेन मिरर, एंड इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड लुकिंग मिरर बिकॉज we see our face directly by using this mirror. With the help of this mirror, we can see, we can watch our eyes, we can examine the things and reflections. जब आपने इसको ऐसे किया होगा, सनलाइट में सामने ले जाकर के आपने ऐसे किया होगा, तो आपने देखा होगा कुछ लाइट इसमें से रिफ्लेक्ट होती है as you are watching students. ओके, तो लाइट जब इस ऑब्जेक्ट पे पड़ रही है, क्योंकि ये पॉलिश सरफेस है, स्मूथ है, इसमें से लाइट क्या होगी स्टूडेंट्स? रिफ्लेक्ट होगी, बाउंसिंग बैक. तो बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ लाइट आफ्टर फॉलिंग ऑन एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इज जस्ट रिफर्ड एज द रिफ्लेक्शन. लाइट जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे फॉल होती है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट आपका कई तरीके का हो सकता है. स्मूथ पॉलिश सरफेस, जस्ट लाइक दिस इज द वेरी स्मूथ एंड पॉलिश सरफेस, एंड कुछ रफ टाइप के सरफेस भी हो सकते हैं. देयर आर सम रफ सरफेस जिनका खुरदरा रफ होता है, तो उस पे लाइट जो होगी फॉल करेगी, तो उतना ज्यादा इंसिडेंट नहीं होगी, और देयर विल बी द इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन एंड देयर इज अ रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. नाउ लेट अस डेमोंस्ट्रेट एन एक्टिविटी व्हिच इज गिवन इन योर बुक, एक्टिविटी टू स्टडी द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम अ प्लेन मिरर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारे पास एक प्लेन मिरर है. ओके, और हमारे पास एक ये रे बॉक्स है. रे बॉक्स, दिस इज रे बॉक्स. ओके, रे बॉक्स इसको क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि इसके अंदर जो बल्ब है, ग्लो है, इसमें छोटा सा होल किया गया है. ये पूरा बॉक्स है, इसके अंदर एक लाइट अंदर इसमें बल्ब है, और इसमें छोटा सा होल क्यों किया गया क्योंकि इसमें से एक रे आराम से निकले। अब सिंगल रे में ही बहुत सारी रे होंगी, जैसे सन रेज में बहुत सारी रेज होती हैं, लेकिन हमको एक ही कलर के दिखते हैं, इसलिए व्हाइट कलर हम उसको बोलते हैं, दैट इज द व्हाइट कलर, व्हाइट लाइट। लेकिन उसमें 7 कलर का विजन होता है। आप इसके हायर क्लास में पढ़ोगे कि इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर का विजन होता है। अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि प्लेन मिरर को हम लेफ्ट साइड रख देंगे। Let us demonstrate an activity, the reflection of light from plane mirror. As you are dear students watching this one, and this video is going to be interesting because we are trying to perform an activity given in book. Dear friends, this mirror is placed this side and this source is placed on this side, and with the angles just like this mirror is placed in this way and light hits on this object. Okay, so if you want to draw the structure, then what will be the on blackboard? How can you represent this one in blackboard? So dear friends, this is the mirror which is placed on this side. Okay, M dash mirror is placed here, just like I was trying to substitute this one, and this box is there. Okay, and one rays of light emerges from this source and reaches to this place. A very straight line, not a zigzag, because we consider only single ray, only one ray. This ray hits on this points of ये, तो यहाँ पे ये इस पॉइंट पे हिट करेगी। तो जहां पे हिट करेगी पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस, देयर विल बी ड्रॉन अ नॉर्मल, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ नॉर्मल विल बी ड्रॉन। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, as you are watching the angle and this ray is going in this way, and after hitting this point of intersection, this ray will reflect in this side. This is the notation of this. Okay, so there will be the equality of reflection also. This will be reflected on that side. So dear friends, this ray is incident ray. Incident ray. Okay, incident ray, and the perpendicular which is drawn just like a normal. Normal is drawn. Normal is imaginary line which is drawn from a point of incidence where lights falls. Okay. So incidence ray from sources, the ray emerges and hit at the point of incidence, and there will be the angle formed with the normal, and there will be also angle which will be formed this one. Okay. So dear students, as we are watching this angle will be called as I, and this angle will be called R as a reflection, and this ray will be called reflected ray. Reflected ray. This is the called reflected ray, and this is the incident ray which is coming from the source, and we have taken the source just like a ray box. Ray box emerges light and hit and this point. Okay, because mirror is placed there, and this mirror will reflect the light in this direction. Okay, and the angle will be formed, that is, as you are looking there are two types of angles. One is incidence, angle of incidence, and this angle is angle of reflection. To reflect angle of reflection and angle of incidence, and these will be equal. Angle I equal to angle R, and it will be studied under the laws of reflection. Dear friends, this was the explanation of the, and this point is known as the point of incidence. Incidence. अब इसको हम लोग समझते हैं अच्छे से. And this was the plane mirror. This was the plane mirror. ये हमारा पूरा प्लेन मिरर है. ये हमारा यहाँ पे रे बॉक्स है जहां से सोर्स लाइट इमर्ज होगी. ये इस पॉइंट पे हिट करेंगे. हिट करने के बाद इंसिडेंस होंगी। तो यहां से हमने एक इमेजिनरी लाइन ड्रा किया है सीधा परपेंडिकुलर, विच इज नोन एज द नॉर्मल। और इसमें एक सिंगल रे लाने के लिए ही उसमें होल करके बॉक्स में बनाया गया है कि आसानी से इसमें से वन रे निकले, ठीक है। क्योंकि अब एक रे में बहुत सारी रे होंगी, लेकिन इसमें हम लोग ऐसे बनाते हैं, कंसीडर कर लेते हैं कि वी अज्यूम दैट सिंगल रे इज इमर्जिंग फ्रॉम दिस रे बॉक्स। Dear friends, and this is the explanation, and we can understand this one properly. So dear friends, this is the arrangement, and after doing this one activity, you can understand that light gets reflected whenever it falls on any smooth polished surface. So dear friends, after understanding this activity, let us move towards the topic, that is laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. अब आपको रिफ्लेक्शन समझ में आ गया होगा स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होता है। लाइट जब कभी स्मूथ पॉलिश सरफेस पे फॉल करती है, हिट करती है, तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट होती है। ओके, अब हम लोग सीखेंगे लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन यानी रिफ्लेक्शन के नियम। लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स रिफ्लेक्शन के नियम, रूल। ओके, लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स रिफ्लेक्शन के रूल। रिफ्लेक्शन का रूल क्या कहता है स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन? लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन टेल्स अबाउट द डिफरेंट process through which light incidents on any objects, and the reflection angles and incidence angles and the normal relation, everything will be studied through this law. Okay, so dear students, what is the law of reflection? So as you have seen students, this activity, that this is the mirror. Which types of mirror students? That is the plane mirror. Okay, and one ray source is here, and one ray emerges from this source and hit at this point, and this point will be known as the point of incidence. Point of incidence. This is the point of incidence. Point of incidence. अब इनका डायरेक्शंस आपको अच्छे से दिखाना स्टूडेंट्स। This is the direction because ray is going from this direction, and there will be the normal which can be drawn perpendicular to the point of incidence, and this is the angle I. And dear students, after hitting this point of incidence, this will reflect in this direction. This will reflect in this direction, and there will be the angle R. And these directions you have to represent this direction. It means the ray is going in this direction. Okay students, this is the representations that ray, this is the incident ray which is coming from the source and hit at the point of incidence. After hitting this point, the ray will reflected in the same directions by making an angle R, and this angle R, this R is represents that this is the angle of reflection. So dear friends, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Okay, and sorry, this can be taken as O point, and this is the L. Okay, dear friends, this is the representation of the whole arrangement. There is a mirror, plane mirror, which is placed here, and one ray which is known as the incident ray hits on the point of incidence and gets reflected back. Okay, by making equal angle, this angle I and angle R will be equal, and there is a normal which is drawn. So in this case, there are two laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection, and you have understood the students, incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, and there are terms which you have to learn properly. Dear students, what is the incidence ray? incidence ray which comes from the source which appears to coming, okay, which appears to coming from a source and its direction is coming, okay. The direction as we are looking this direction, it means the ray is coming from any source, and at the points where it hits is known as the point of incidence, okay. So their normal is drawn from perpendicular to the point of incidence on that plane, okay. This is the plane, okay. So dear students, as you are looking that the angle formed between the normal and reflected ray is known as the angle of reflection, and the angle formed the angle formed between the normal and incident ray is known as the angle of incidence, okay students. And this plane mirror is placed in this direction. So you have understood all the terms properly. So what are the laws of reflections? So there are two laws of reflections. First laws of reflection states that incidence ray, normal and reflected ray lie in the same plane. First is the incidence ray, reflected ray and normal lie on the same plane. ये किसी एक प्लेन पे लाई कर रहे हैं. Same plane means they are not going inwards, not going outwards. They are in the same plane because we are taking the same plane. Okay. अब plane जैसे आपका है plane 2D plane, ठीक है. Plane is a surface where we are understanding the term. Next students, understand second law of reflection states that angle of incidence means angle AON, which is known as angle I, and angle BON, which is known as angle R. So angle I must be equal angle R. ठीक है. Angle I equal to angle R. Angle I is the angle of incidence and angle R is the angle of reflection. So this will be the equal. अब ये क्या होंगे आपस में equal होंगे. This is the second statement of the laws of reflections. So there are two laws of reflections. First is incidence ray, reflected ray and normal lie on the same plane, and second law of reflection states that angle formed with the normal by angle formed with the normal from incidence ray, the angle formed by incidence ray and normal and reflected ray, angle formed by the incidence ray and reflected ray must be equal. Dear students, angle I equal to angle R always will be equal, and these are the two explanations of the laws of reflection. अगर मतलब कहने का मीन्स है, इसको आप ऐसे समझिए स्टूडेंट्स, आपको समझ में आएगा. जैसे ये प्लेन मिरर है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द प्लेन मिरर एंड दिस इज द नॉर्मल ड्रॉन. आप इस नॉर्मल को मान लो यहाँ पे दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस, दिस इज O, it is a 45 degree. Incident ray makes an 45 degree angles with the normal, and when it gets reflected in this directions, reflected ray also makes an angle of 45 degree. So dear students, as you are looking that 45 degree angle I equal to AON. Angle AON equal to 45 degree. Angle AON equal to 45 degree. So angle BON equal to 45 degree. जब इसको 45 डिग्री से यहाँ पे इंसिडेंस कराया गया स्टूडेंट्स, तो 45 डिग्री पे हमने इसको इंसिडेंस कराया, इंसिडेंट रे 45 डिग्री पे हिट की विद द नॉर्मल. सो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे आल्सो मेक्स एन एंगल 45 डिग्री विद द नॉर्मल. तो दोनों आपस में इक्वल होंगे. अगर हम इसको जितना ज्यादा इंक्रीज करेंगे उसी के रिस्पेक्ट में हमारा ये बढ़ेगा. अगर मान लो हम इसको थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करके कर रहे हैं, नॉर्मल वही रहने देते हैं. जैसे मान लो यहाँ पे हम इसको थोड़ा सा एंगल रेस करते हैं, यहाँ से इंसिडेंस रे मान लो यहाँ पे 60 डिग्री पे हिट कर रही है. सो देयर आल्सो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मेक्स एन एंगल 60 डिग्री with the normal. तो 60 डिग्री का ये भी बनाएगी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. कहने का मीन्स ये है. Dear students, I hope you have understood all the terms properly. अगर मान लो कि जो पॉइंट सोर्स है इंसिडेंट रे हिट कर रही हैं नॉर्मल की डायरेक्शन में in the perpendicular in the same direction lying in the normal, then there will be no angle, zero angle will be formed there. So dear students, these are the explanations of the laws of reflections and the terms as you are understanding, and explanations regarding the terms incidence ray, reflected ray, normal and mirror, looking mirror, everything you have seen. So dear students, this is the explanation of light and introductions of light. I hope all of you have understood the terms clearly and properly. Thank you students for watching today's video, and the work which will be included at the end of the video. Don't forget to solve the video. Don't forget to solve the questions whatever is given. Thank you students for watching today's video. My dear students, take a screenshot of whole blackboard so that you can get the proper homework. Dear students, take a screenshot. There are 5 questions. These questions are related to the discussion of today's video. Whatever has been discussed in the today video, the homework is related to that particular discussion. So dear students, take a screenshot of whole blackboard so that you can get the proper homework. Thank you students for taking.